Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create an invoice in QuickBooks. First, open QuickBooks and select the customer's menu from the top navigation bar. Then, choose Create Invoices to start a new one. You'll need to select the correct customer from your list to ensure accurate billing. This initial step sets up your document for success, making the rest of the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's add the details of what you're billing for. In the Invoice Details section, enter each service or product you provided. Make sure to specify the correct quantity and the rate for each item. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the line totals and the overall subtotal. Take a moment to review these amounts to ensure everything looks correct. Before finalizing, you can customize your invoice. Add a personalized message or a memo for your customer in the designated field. If necessary, you can also attach any relevant documents directly to the invoice. Most importantly, take a few moments to carefully review all the invoice details for accuracy, including dates, items, and amounts. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save and send your invoice. You can save it as a draft to finish later or save it as a final version. QuickBooks offers options to print, email, or send the invoice directly through the platform. After sending, you can easily track the invoice status within your customer list, ensuring you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.